You know, most sales reps are terrified of AI. They think it's going to replace them. I can tell you now, it's not. But let me be very clear. The reps who use AI are absolutely going to replace the ones who don't. You know, the fastest improving sales reps aren't the most charismatic. They're not the born closers. They're not the ones who have got all these fancy tactics. They're the ones who are feeding AI all their calls, analyzing their patterns, and they're making smarter decisions every single week. So today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use AI to get ahead of 99% of most salespeople. And no, it's not about asking AI, teach me how to sell. It's about using AI to make you dangerous. Okay, so the first truth is that AI won't teach you sales, but it will expose every blind spot that you have. Most reps think they're good. I can tell you now, they're not. They have no idea where they lose rapport, where the uncertainty drops. They repeat the same mistakes over and over again because they have no visibility of their behavior. You can't see all of your patterns in third person view, so you can't improve them. So all we get salespeople to do is transcribe all their calls and we ask AI, show me the patterns I'm not noticing. Show me the patterns that are unusual. Show me the mistakes that I make on repeat. One of our reps doubled his sales simply because he just pointed out some simple tactics that he was doing. He was just saying the wrong words. He was saying so and because and justifying his behavior all the time. And AI adjusted that. And you know what the move is that'll get you ahead of 90% of the industry? Is to upload 10 to 20 of those transcripts. Ask AI, what mistakes do I repeat? Where do I lose momentum? What destroys my rapport? What would a top 1% closer change? What patterns am I blind to? And this is equivalent to 6 to 12 months of coaching in an hour.
Hey, real quick, if you're a sales rep wanting to become a sales manager or a sales manager looking to improve your skills with the biggest sales manager training company in the online space, if you're interested in working with us and getting the results that 200 other businesses have, click the link in the description, go through the funnel, watch the video, see what we're about, and I'll catch you on the other side.
And the next step is about understanding your calendar. It leads me straight into point 2, which is about AI will build your calendar that prints you revenue. Most reps don't even have a sales problem, they have a time allocation problem. You're taking calls at your lowest energy hours, you're taking calls at the wrong times, you're taking calls when you should be doing admin, you're losing like 4 or 5 hours every single day just because you're not productive. Your gym sessions at the wrong time, you do everything at the wrong time, you've not optimized for how your mind truly works because you've never analyzed your rhythms, and AI is just going to do it for you. Feed it your entire calendar, give it your call transcripts, give it your show rate data, your close data, give it all of your trackers, show it the times that you've been ghosted. And then once you put all of your calendar information into AI, just ask it, what's my best close rate hours? What's my worst show rate hours? What times am I losing energy? What hours do objections spike? Tasks that are killing my output? There was a rep that literally moved his gym session from morning to middle of the day. He's making 15% more money because the daytime was his lowest close rate and he was training in the morning where it was his highest close rate. So he just moved it to the day. And then you ask, what is the optimal daily schedule for maximum revenue? What 3 changes will create the biggest uplift in my sales? What am I doing right now that kills my performance? It will build your calendar for the way that you're living and it'll optimize you. But hold up, we're just getting started. Truth number 3 is let AI become your personal sales analyst. You know, most reps, they think everything is emotional based. They grade everything emotionally. Oh, I feel like that was a good call. I think my tonality was better. Feelings don't scale, data does. In the transcript, just give it 10 of your good calls and ask to reverse engineer the structure that they were using unconsciously. So these are the behaviors that you were probably doing, but you didn't even realize. And then AI will build you an entire step-by-step framework. And then you'll be able to measure all the things that you're not measuring. Look at your best calls, look at your worst calls, look at the calls that should have closed but didn't close. You're going to spot those patterns. All of the money that you're missing is inside your patterns already. Then just simply ask it to optimize your calendar on a structure that you can actually use. You can even ask it very specific questions. Then just simply ask it to build you a sales script that can actually close. Make it custom to you. You all have your own sales styles. Yours is a mix of all the different lessons and learnings that you've had over the years, different sales programs, different sales managers. Use that to let it analyze your calls and give you custom feedback. And then just simply ask it, what should I change to close 20% more deals? And then you'll get a personalized script that's tailored to you. It's not based upon someone else's opinion. It's not based upon what you think might do better. The AI will look at the data and then just give you the best way for you to sell for your style. The last and final truth is that AI can analyze your entire sales operation. Most reps, they just think AI, ChatGPT is a productivity tool or Google search. They don't use it properly. AI is a pattern recognition engine, and all you have to do is feed it your operation. It's the superpower. Give it your call data, give it your show rate data, give it your CRM behavior, give it your lead sources, give it everything that you know. Hit it with as much information as you can. Let it digest that information. And if you're allowed to export data from your CRM, that data is already valuable because all the notes, all the information in all the contacts, if you feed that to AI, that can give you some data that no one spotted because CRMs become so big and bloated, you can't really see all the information. By the way, Claude links to HubSpot, and you can let it go into HubSpot and analyze your deals. If you're using Go High Level or Close, whatever CRM that you're using, there's just ways to look through your CRM and truly analyze everything. Look at your show rate patterns, look at your close rate variations, which objections are you getting that are killing your deals, which lead sources are wasting your times, where does your energy drop, what tasks should you eliminate entirely, what behaviors are you blind to. Every insight becomes an action. Every action becomes a measurable uplift. And when you stack these uplifts, you'll leave the rest of the industry behind. The real competitive advantage is that AI won't replace salespeople. But the salespeople that use AI, they will absolutely replace all the reps that don't. Let it analyze your calls, let it optimize your calendar, let it build frameworks for your own patterns, and let it also look through your data, your CRM data, so you can improve just one metric every single week. And that's how you're going to get ahead of 99% of people that stay out there, because most people are too lazy to even try this stuff. If you want some free tactics on how to improve your close rate, manage sales teams better, maybe becoming a sales manager from a sales rep, if you look in the description below, we have a community. Join the community. I'm going to be running some free calls in there every single month, looking at taking sales reps who want to become sales managers, looking for more B2B companies that want to grow on our Chief Revenue Advisory offer. If that's you, I'll see you on the other side.